Experiencing a stuck middle seat belt in your Tesla Model 3? You're not alone. This video addresses the common issue of locked retractors, especially those caused by child seat installations. We'll cover why this happens, how to diagnose the problem, and provide step-by-step solutions to get your seatbelt working again, safely and effectively. The main reason why this happens is the retractor mechanism can lock during use, particularly with child seats, leading to safety concerns. Let's get started. First, let's look at the seat designs in different Model 3 generations, which can affect belt functionality. Here's an up-close view of the seat belt mechanism, showing the internal components. This illustrates the emergency locking retractor functionality in the back seats. These visuals help explain the basics before we dive into solutions. The root of the problem lies in the seatbelt retractor's inertial locking mechanism. This ILM is designed to lock the belt during sudden stops to protect occupants. In the Model 3's middle seat, this mechanism can prematurely lock due to twists, frays, or resistance from a child's seat. Tesla's design has a narrower belt path in the middle seat, making it more prone to issues compared to the outer seats. Common causes of these jams include dust accumulation in the mechanism, belt wear, and fraying over time, improper threading of the belt, software glitches in the vehicle's systems, and interference from child seats, which can kink the belt or leave slack that confuses the retractor. Before diving into more complex solutions, let's try some basic troubleshooting. First, visually inspect the belt for any kinks, twists, or obstructions. Gently try to pull the belt out fully and let it retract slowly. This can sometimes reset the mechanism. Ensure the belt is threading smoothly through its guides. You can also apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant, non-petroleum-based, to the retractor housing to ease movement. Never use excessive force when pulling the belt. If initial troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, proceed to advanced fixes. Start by disconnecting the car battery to avoid any potential airbag errors during the process. Always prioritize safety when working on vehicle components. Next, carefully remove any interior trim pieces that might be blocking access to the seatbelt retractor mechanism. This requires gentle prying with appropriate tools. With the retractor now accessible, manually manipulate the mechanism. Gently turn or pull components to see if you can release the locked state without forcing anything. Apply a small amount of silicone-based lubricant, focusing specifically on the moving components of the retractor. Avoid over-application to prevent attracting dust or causing slippage issues. Now, cycle the seat belt multiple times. Pull it out completely, then allow it to retract slowly. This helps distribute the lubricant and can reset the retractor mechanism. If the advanced fixes don't resolve the issue, it may indicate a deeper mechanical problem. At this point, it's best to seek professional help from Tesla Service for proper diagnosis and part replacement. Child seat installations are a major culprit for stuck seatbelts in Tesla Model 3 vehicles. The narrow belt path in the middle seat can easily become obstructed or kinked during installation. Ensure you're using a Tesla-recommended child seat for the Model 3. Tesla's 2025 Child Seat Compatibility Guide recommends specific seats like the Evenflow Maestro or Graco Snug Ride for better fit without retractor interference. When installing a child seat, avoid over-tightening the belt, which can cause kinking and lock the retractor. Double-check the belt path to ensure it's not obstructed by the child seat base. Sometimes, adjusting the seat angle can alleviate pressure on the belt and prevent jams. For additional support, consider using a belt extender if recommended. Tesla has addressed the middle seat belt issue primarily through software updates. These updates include enhanced diagnostics and automatic calibration features. The key update is 2025.48.25, which provides enhanced seatbelt diagnostics and automatic retractor calibration specifically for Model 3 vehicles manufactured after 2022. To access these fixes, check your Tesla app for available updates. Open the app, navigate to the software section, and check for updates to install the latest fixes. Tesla offers free inspections and part replacements under extended warranty. Use the app's diagnostic tool to check for belt kinks or foreign objects that might cause issues. For immediate resolution when the belt is stuck, gently pull the belt out fully and allow it to retract slowly. This often resets the retractor mechanism. When basic troubleshooting and DIY fixes don't resolve the issue with your Tesla Model 3 middle seat belt, it's essential to seek professional help from Tesla service. A faulty seatbelt retractor mechanism often requires professional replacement to ensure safety and proper function. The specific part number for the retractor is 168581-00A or an equivalent model, which Tesla technicians can identify and install correctly. Attempting advanced repairs yourself beyond basic troubleshooting can be dangerous, potentially damaging the vehicle's safety systems and voiding your warranty. Tesla service technicians are equipped with specialized diagnostic tools and in-depth knowledge of the vehicle's systems to accurately diagnose and fix seatbelt issues. Before scheduling service, verify if your vehicle is covered under warranty or any active recall programs, which may qualify you for free repairs and part replacements. Tesla is working on software-driven solutions to predict and prevent jams via predictive analytics from onboard sensors, and upcoming models will alert owners to belt anomalies before they occur. To prevent future issues, regularly inspect your seatbelts for wear and tear. Keep them clean and free from obstructions. Use silicone lubricant periodically. By following these tips, you can ensure your Tesla Model 3's middle seatbelt remains functional and safe for all passengers.